South again, chasing that train. I've got a feeling he's not going to like me for this. It's just too darn bad. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Seriously, Dottie? Do you really need to use your brake? Have you ever heard of taking your foot off the accelerator? Like I just did. Idiot. Come on, Donnie. Really? Well, we're backtracking. We're going to be 4 miles, so let's see, which way is he going to pass him? Is he going to be on his right? I don't see him. I think he's already gone by him. Going by him. Let's see. Nope. Son of a gun. Yeah, he's going to be... he's going to pass him on this side of him. So... stopping there would have done no good. Okay. Well, we ought to be able to get a pretty good picture of him here. Oh man, it's a little tight on that shoulder. You're going through a construction zone, man. Let's pull it back a little bit. Oh, wonderful. Oh, that ought to be good. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Well, you saw it there. For some reason, that guy in the Kenworth slowed down and the guy behind him swerved because I think he thought he was going to get crushed by the truck behind him. Thank God nobody got hit.